we can get the slope of a line if we know 2 points from that line. For example, we have 0.21 and 0.86. So to get the slope, we just need to first make a vertical and horizontal line. So we'll make a vertical line here. And then a horizontal line. Now this length is the rise and this is the run. So to get the rise, so this is from here, this is 6. This is from this point is 1. So to get the slope, to get this length, we need to subtract 1 from 6. So 6 minus 1. And then to get the run, from here to here is 8. And then from here to here is 2. So we need to subtract 2 from 8, or 8 minus 2. So our slope is 5/6. Now we can generalize this formula of a slope. So like if we assign, this is x2, this is y2, this is x1, y1, we can generalize that the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we previously discussed point slope form as this: y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. We can now replace this slope with the formula that we just made. So the 2-point form now becomes y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and x minus x1. So we can use this formula for this next example. Find the equation of the line that passes through points 8, 6, and 2, 1. So we just substitute the value into the formula and we get the equation. We can either use this one or use this one. It doesn't matter, the equation will be the same. So let's just use this one. And you can try using this one as a practice if you'll have the same equation. So substituting this one, we have y minus x y1. So this is x2, y2. So y minus y1, y1 is 1, y2, this is y2. y2 is 6 minus 1, x2, 8 minus 2, x minus 2. So this becomes y minus 1 is equal to 5/6 x minus 2. So to remove the denominator, we multiply 6 on both sides. This cancels out. 6y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 10. So transposing, we have 5x minus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is your equation, and that is the 2-point form.